Hey guys, Jeremy here, and if you're a homeowner or you like to do your own projects, a multi-purpose tool is an absolute necessity. When we remodeled our house, this thing was an absolute lifesaver for cutting PVC, sheetrock, the door jambs, all sorts of stuff you can do with this thing. Save you a ton of time. Now, this one was sent to me at no charge for this review, and what I really like about this is just how multi-purpose it really is. So to change your heads, you're just going to flip this up like this, and this is going to be a universal fit. And here's one of the heads that I used just the other day. This is what it looks like, but that's just going to pop in there just like that. And then you're just going to clamp this down, and boom, it's in there solid. And look at this. Another thing you can do here is that you can turn this, and look here, if you needed to go at a different angle, you can turn that a little bit and lock that into place just right there. Now, what we're going to do for you today, show you the heads. There's one head there, and there's another one. And then you've also got these for wood and for PVC and things like that. Then you've also got a head here with some Velcro on it, so that you can put some sandpaper on there. You're going to get different grits in there. And then you've also got some extra brushes, which tells me that there is the possibility of brushes going bad in the tool itself, but at least they give you some new ones to replace those with. You also do get a handle if you need that, to put just a little bit of extra elbow grease on there. You can do the right side or you can do the left side, your choice. So what we're going to do is pop in one of these blades, and we're going to cut through just a little bit of PVC for you, just so that you can see what that looks like, okay? Just like that. Everybody needs a multi-purpose tool, and this one is of great quality. Definitely would recommend. Go ahead and pick yours up today. You're not going to be disappointed with it.